Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my no foundation back to school routine. This is like really what I actually do on a daily basis. I have been not into such heavy makeup as I used to be, so I've definitely been keeping on the lighter side. I'm feeling real ugly though. Yo girl wearing full makeup. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing I always start off with is brows. If you guys want my brow routine, I will link it down below. I have updated it a little bit since then, but not much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do those really quickly, and then if you want more an in-depth explanation, again, I'll link the video down below. Okay, now that those are done, my left brow is so much better than my right brow. I hate my right brow. All right, for the next step, I'm gonna be going in with concealer, and I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Corrector. That can't be right.
What is the shade?
Oh, vanilla. All right, and I just, honestly with this, I just kind of spot conceal. I have like bad scarring from acne breakouts, so I pretty much do my whole chin. And then a little bit spotting on the top. And then I have a few up here. Yep, that's all I do. And I just use my finger to rub it in. Because again, this is a quick, lazy makeup routine. And the thing about this makeup is, I want it to still look like my skin. Then I go ahead and I set that, and I use my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. If they ever discontinue this, I'm throwing hands. I'm gonna go ahead and carve my brows out, just the underneath. I just think this helps the brow look like really polished. And then I go ahead and I set that with powder too. All right, now if I'm really feeling like that's all I'm gonna do for the day, but I usually have a little bit more time than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour a little bit, and I'm using my NYX Highlight and Contour palette. And I honestly just kind of mix these two shades, and I just lightly contour. And this honestly helps me not look so like washed out, because if I'm ending the year of my self-tanner days, I look pale. I'll like wash it over my face a little bit. All right, next up is highlight, and again, this is optional, but I think it makes me just look like more awake. For highlight, I have been using, I don't know why I've been getting right back into Becca Opal. That's Champagne Pop. I'm like literally like empty on it, but I actually like miss this highlighter. I forgot how much I like it. And I do spray my brush with my NYX Dewy Finish. I don't know why the bottle looks like this. It's not like I'm squeezing it, like it just kind of happens, so. I spray my brush, and I get some of that highlight, and I do my cheekbones, temples, up to the forehead. And I do my nose, my chin. Basically your whole face, just do the whole face. I do my inner corners too. This is the part where I would usually set my face with the same dewy setting spray, but I'm gonna be literally taking this off right after to do a Halloween look, so I'm not gonna set it and waste some product. So the next step I usually go into is mascara. I recently, if you watched my getting ready for school video, you know that I did like a lash perm. So I've been not wearing falsies as much, and I've been just wearing mascara, which has been a blessing and a time saver. So I use my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. I'm on the lookout for a lengthening mascara. If you have recommendations, leave them below. Make sure they're cruelty free, because I try really hard not to buy cruelty products. I'm not perfect, but I'm definitely more conscious. So yeah, if you guys have a good lengthening mascara, please hit your girl up. So anyways, I just coat them with a nice coat of mascara. when it gets on my lid every freaking time. If I'm feeling real fancy, I will like do a little black eyeliner on top just to like make my lashes look thicker, but I'm not feeling it today. All right, and you can stop there. This is honestly about what I do. The only thing I add, which is like hella extra, but it makes me just happy inside, is I do like fake freckles, because I have real freckles, but they're so like faint and they don't come out unless I tan my face. Like they don't get darker unless I tan my face. And I'm not putting UV rays on this face. Like I'm trying to look like Jennifer Aniston when I'm that age. So I do the fake ones. I actually use my Urban Decay Brow Blade. If you guys don't have this, especially if you want to do fake freckles, this is it. This is it. It has a waterproof pencil side, which is just like a regular twist up, right? And then it also has a wet liner side. What I love the most about it is it's called an ink stain, so it doesn't come off. So what I do to do the fake freckles, if you guys want like an in-depth tutorial, I'll be like glad to do one. But I literally just like poke my face with it because it's like the perfect size of a freckle. And if you notice they're like too dark, take your finger and just blot over them to like blend it more into the skin. And I basically just place them randomly. It doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be whatever, because freckles are not perfect. The funny part is when I was little, I used to hate my freckles because like none of the girls in my school had them. And I just thought I was so dorky for having them. So I literally would like, when I first got into makeup, I was so happy that they could be covered up. And now look at me, 25 and putting more on. I do a couple on my forehead. You just want to make them look like random and sporadic. Alright guys, and that is it. That is what I do every morning before like school or work or something. Honestly, in all, it takes me like 15 minutes. I could make it take 5 if I really needed it to, but again, I just don't want to spend an hour on my makeup like I used to, or like 45 minutes. I just want to get it done. So yeah, if you guys liked this, please give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Isn't that what looks are for? I don't know why I just had to explain that to you. Stay tuned for my Halloween tutorials because I'm so excited. I hate that I do this. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.